Hey everybody, welcome to Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen, where I believe everything is a star. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and hit that bell icon for new video notifications. So for today's lunch, I am making poha, and that too onion poha. So I have chopped here 2 onions, 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped them, and I've got half a cup of poha here. So I added 2 tablespoons of GIngelly oil. You can add any oil of your choice, and I've added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And I added half a teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. I've now added 1 teaspoon of Spilt Urid Dal and 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal for tempering. Then I've got curry leaves here. I'm adding that too. Curry leaves give great taste to your food, as you already know. I don't have to explain it to you. So I've added curry leaves. So I'm now adding some green chilies here. I've added half a green chili here, and I'm now going to add this 2 medium-sized chopped onion. I'm going to saute it for a while, and then I'll be adding the poha here. So if you're liking the video here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share this video with your family and friends. So I'm making this onion poha after a long time, so I hope you like it. So I'm going to saute a bit, then I'm going to, once it's done, I'll show it to you. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Thanks for being part of my Sunday morning breakfast. What I've done is I've added a pinch of salt now. Pinch in the sense that I've added quarter teaspoon of salt. I'll add salt again when I add this poha to it. So I am sauteing it until the onions become shiny, in the sense that they are well cooked. That is the indication that the onions are well cooked. Once I add the poha, I will show it to you. So look how finely the onions have been chopped. So yes, the onions have they are cooked well. So now I'm going to add the poha to it. So I have kept this poha is I had actually washed it 3 times in running water, and I had soaked it for 10 minutes, and then I had washed it in running water, and I had drained the water, and I kept it for 20 minutes. So I'm adding the poha. So I'll be adding another 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and I'll be at the end garnishing with lemon, half a lemon. If you have coriander, you can garnish it with that also. So our poha is almost ready. So what I've done is I've added a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, and that's about it. And it looks great, and it also, I know, will also taste great, as you already know. You can add the peanuts to it. I don't have peanuts here, so our poha is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add half lemon juice to it. I'm going to cut a lemon, and I'm going to squeeze half portion of it. So yes, so if you have liked the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and do not forget to share this video with family and friends, and spread the word about my channel. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be garnishing this with half a lemon juice. So I'm doing that right now. So I have squeezed half lemon to it, and I'm going to mix it well. And our onion poha, or kanda poha, as you know, as most of you know it, is ready. It's a great breakfast, and it's a healthy one. It's got all the great things in it. Onion, you got lemon, you got turmeric, all great ingredients to go in for. I mean, look at the color. I've done no color correction to it. This is what you are looking at. This is what I am showing to you as it is. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So if you've been liking my video, please do subscribe to my channel. As I see, most of you don't subscribe, but then again, it's your choice. Thanks for watching.